Hey guys, it's Miss Ewan again, back for math. Okay, so we are on Unit 4, Module 2, Session 3, and we're going to learn a brand new game today. So we just learned foxes and dens, and now we're going to learn another game called the forest game. We're learning a lot about animals, huh? The forest game. So if you could take game, there's a lot of I can statements here. I can count forward from any number rather than starting at 1. I can count objects one by one, saying the numbers in the order that they go. I can count up to 20 objects in a line to answer how many questions. And I can represent addition and subtraction with objects. And I can solve addition and subtraction story problems. So if you could take aim, that would be great. Let your arrows go. All right, so we always do our warm up. We always have our choral counting, but because we are not in the classroom and I can't see your feet, we are going to count from this number. Who could tell me what this number is? I know what it is. It's number 10. Okay, and we're going to start from the number 10 and we're going to go all the way up to 40 and then all the way back down to 0. Okay, ready? Count with me. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Stop. Now we're going to go back down to 1 or 0. 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Good job counting, my friends. I hope you're all counting with me, even though I can't hear you and see you. I hope you guys are chorally counting because it's very important that we know how to count all the way up to numbers and then all the way back down to numbers, to lower numbers. Okay, so here we go. Here is the forest game. And the first thing I want you to do is look at this board. And I want you to tell me what you observe about this board, okay? So I'm gonna actually make it a little bit bigger. And this is what the game board is gonna look like. And it will, of course, become a workplace when we get back into the classroom. And I'm gonna notice some things. This game is called the forest game because squirrels, my friend the squirrel, he lives in the forest. And guess what? He likes to eat these nuts, these acorns. Wait a minute, we just learned about that in our content lesson about how squirrels depend on trees. So they depend on trees for acorns. And guess what? We are going to hop to the number acorns that we spin. Okay, you see the spinner here? And when we spin, it's going to go around and around and it's going to stop. But before we even play the game, I want to talk to you about what symbols I see on this game board. I see numbers on this game board. So I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then on the spinner, I see +1, +2, +3. And then I see -1, -2, and -3. So +1, +2, +3 means we are adding numbers. So we're putting things in. So we're adding in. And then subtract or to minus or to take away is this symbol right here in front of the 3. So -3, -2, or -1. Okay, so just to give you guys a quick example of something, just hold on 1 minute, I'll be right back. know what? Probably over here. Miss Ewan has so many places that she puts all of her things. Aha. Okay. So I have some cubes here, just to practice, okay? How many cubes do you see? I have 2 cubes. So let's put the 2 cubes on top, okay? Now, if I was to add one, if I was to put one in, I would be putting another one. So then I would put 3. Okay, so you see the 3 here. Now, if I was to take away or subtract one, I'm going to take 1 off, making it 2. If I was to subtract 1 from here, I have 2. If I was to subtract or take away, I would have 1 left, okay? So that's some quick show of addition and subtraction with cubes, okay? So now we're gonna get into the game. So we looked at our game board, we see that there's numbers, we see that there's addition and subtraction, so adding numbers and taking numbers away. Now we're gonna jump right into the game, okay? So here we go. Okay, so this you play with 2 people. So if I had Mr. Ewan here, he would be playing with me. But because Mr. Ewan is not here with me right now, I'm going to be playing it. I'm gonna kind of show you guys how to go. So the game board is gonna look like this. The spinner is gonna be in the middle, and then I would click the spinner. And the spinner tells me to take away 1. But guess what? None are on the game board, so I can't take any away. So I have to spin again. Oh, I landed on the line. Oh, I get to add 2. So I'm going to be blue. So I'm going to put 2 in, okay? The first one to get all the numbers up to 10 wins, okay? So the squirrel is the little counters, and whichever person gets all the way up to 10 wins. So now I'm going to spin for the pink. So pretend I'm the pink now. I'm the pink squirrel. There's pink squirrels and blue squirrels here. So let's see if pink can get more. Ooh, pink cannot go on the board because it's to take away 3. I don't have any here, so I can't put any or take any away. So let's try again for the pink. Oh, still again, take away 2. Take away 1. I still can't put any on the board. All right, Miss Ewan's turn now. Take away, ugh, that means I have to take these back. I have no squirrel on the board now. Take away 2 still. Ooh, +3. So here I go. I'm going to add 3 on my game board. So that means my squirrel hopped to 3 acorns. Now remember, I got to get all the way up to 10. So let's see if I can spin again. Oh no, I added 3 and now I have to take away 3. Oh my goodness, my squirrel is never gonna get 10 acorns. Oh, take away 1. Take away 2. Oh, +2 I could put on the board now. So I could go on the board. +2. Okay, let's see if if my friend can spin now. Let's spin. Oh, so now Miss Ewan's pink squirrel can go 3 times because I just spun 3. So I have 3 acorns. All right, so Miss Ewan's pink squirrel is winning. Oh my goodness, I have to take these off. Miss Ewan's blue squirrel. Okay, guys, so you see how that's played? You spin the spinner. There is 2 players in this game. One friend has one color for the squirrels, and the other friend has the other color. And you are basically whatever it lands on is what operation or what symbol it tells you to do. So if you're landing on addition, you're going to add your squirrel's going to hop more, and if you're landing on subtraction, your squirrel is going to take away. Okay, so that's a fun game that we will continue to play, the forest game. And when we make it back into the classroom, you will be able to play this in workplaces. But for now, for your math assignment, I'm actually going to post a couple of questions for a worksheet for you guys to do, and then you could submit it to me on Dojo, okay? I'll see you guys in a little while. So that's all the lessons for the day. So this was the last math lesson, but I'm going to be live today, Friday, at 3 p.m. I did send a Zoom message on Dojo, so I would love to see all of you just to check in and say hi. I'm going to ask you guys a couple questions and you'll be able to respond to me. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great Friday, and I hope all the lessons were good for you, and I hope you complete all your work, and I hope you're all doing well, and I will see and talk to you very, very soon.